Today we picked up an off-road monster truck. Stay with us and we'll show you how this little guy does. Well, here we are, S101 remote control car. This is actually a big wheel, okay? Let's open this little guy up, get it out of the box, see what we can do with it. Wow. Doesn't look like we're going to have to do any assembly with this transmitter. There's your car. Look at that little guy. Wow. It's actually a buggy. All right. I don't see any instructions with it, though. Did it not come with any instructions? No, it did not. Wow. Let's guess on how to do this. There's your battery, charging cable, another battery, a little screwdriver. Looks like a little water bottle of some kind. It may have some kind of spray on it to do that with. Let's take our battery over and get it charging while we're getting the rest of the car going, okay? All right, let's charge the battery here. Now, you see, you got a plug right here you got to plug in. Only goes in one way, so be sure you get it right. Lay that down. Plug it into your USB port like so. Red light comes on. When that red light goes off, it's done. Well, you see the red light's out. Unplug it. To release your button here, the little button right there. Push that little button down. Pull it apart right there. Let's go do some racing. All right, we're back. Batteries are ready, or the battery is ready for the car. Unscrew the little screw here on the battery door. Woo! They put it down pretty good that first time. Pull your little arm right there. Your battery goes right inside here, and it connects just like it did to your charging cable. All right. No, that's the charging cable. We want the battery, don't we? It goes in. Be sure your pins are in the right direction so they slide together. Right there. Did you hear it click? Put your battery down inside here. Put the door back on. Oh, got to put it the right direction. Click it down and screw it down so it don't fall off and the battery comes out. All right. Let's turn our car on. Looks like the battery got solid on that, so. Whoa! Doesn't want to back up, does it? But we see how it runs here. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! You push that little green button and that little thing just takes off, man. Well, wish we had some instructions with it so we could figure out how to make it pair up here good. Let's take the batteries out of the transmitter and see if that'll pair it up. See what we do now. There we go. We got it paired up now. It just wasn't pairing up good, so put the battery back on. Screw it back down. Okay. I think it's time to get down in the floor and do some racing with this little guy. Transmitter is on. There's your on-off switch right there. It's on. Let's put him down in the floor. See what we can do with him. Whoa. Whoa, look at him go. Ooh. This little guy's fast. Boom. Whoops. Whoa, look at him go. Ha ha ha. Uh-oh. We got him hung up under the door there. There we go. See what we can do now. Sometimes he doesn't always take the commands from the transmitter. He's doing a lot of spinning in that floor though, slipping around on that wooden floor. Whoa, look at him go. Uh-oh, we got him hung up again, didn't we? All right. Sorry about sticking my rear end up there in the camera patches, but he's a good spinner. He doesn't always let off the gas when you let off the transmitter. Whoa, let go. Ha ha ha. We got him hung up again, didn't we? All right. He likes to spin, doesn't he? Well, he doesn't always respond to the commands on your transmitter, you know it? Now see, I let off, but he didn't let up. Need to go outside, but it's dark right now. We may get out there in the morning and see what he'll do in the grass and all. All right, I think we'll take him out in the grass tomorrow. Let's see how he does outside here. Does pretty good outside, doesn't it? Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.